Hello, I'm Debbie Bell-Hosking here in Stockholm, and I'm talking to Matthew Argent, founder of the Stockholm Fintech Hub. Hello, Matthew.
Hello, thanks for coming.
It was good to talk to you, especially founder of this Fintech Hub. So why did you decide to move here to Stockholm, the Nordics?
Honestly, I met a Swedish girl in London when I was mentoring a lot of the fintech companies over in Google campus and around level 39. And coming here, it was obvious that we had some great companies in the fintech ecosystem, but a very fragmented community. So by putting the Fintech Hub into place, we had a centre of gravity for everybody to come together, whether they're banks, regulators or startup companies, to be able to cooperate and communicate.
What about your expansion now into Helsinki and Oslo?
A lot of our international partners and local partners here in the Nordics are the banks and the card providers such as Visa and Nordea and Handelsbanken. We're doing a great job of delivering data and ecosystem community work back into to the partners from a local perspective. However, they're asking from a Nordic perspective. They're asking, how can we get this from Nordics? Because head offices are typically in the US, UK or in other countries, and they see this as a region. So by having a best practice, sharing standards and sharing data across all of the 4 countries here, we can deliver that back to what the community externally wants. So we physically have set up Stockholm, Helsinki and currently doing Oslo, and Copenhagen have a fantastic hub already, the Copenhagen Fintech Lab, which we communicate and cooperate with. So we are very joined up as a Nordic ecosystem now.
Well, you mentioned those words. What do you think is special about the Nordic financial ecosystem?
I think if you look at the history, there's a lot of reasons why we are where we are today. The first thing is there was no participation within the banking crisis of 2007-2008 from Nordic banks. So they were able to respond in a different way to what happened in the aftermath. I think secondly, we have to realise that in Sweden, people have been used to dealing with financial services in a digital manner since the 90s. You had computers given to families in the 90s. It was the first country to have really decent broadband connected to all of the homes. People were dealing with their pensions and their banks before any other country. So the history and the legacy of dealing with FS in a digital format is here. So it's no wonder that today's entrepreneurs are actually using and seeing the relationship with financial services being in a digital format, and that's why we're seeing lots of different companies coming up.
Matthew, thank you so much. Lovely to talk to you.
Thank you very much.
And thank you for watching.